Okay, here we are, Mount Wilson trailhead. Pretty exciting. It's a little chilly out here this morning, but not terrible. It's okay, it'll warm up quick. And I think it's supposed to be 56 degrees today, so that'll be just right. Great view of the LA basin down below. Lower First Water Junction. Somebody had a little cabin here, maybe. All right, well, let's go check it out. It's beautiful. Got some other hikers down here. Look at these ferns. I had to stop to get that. Look at these giant maple leaves. Oh yeah, look at that. Hot and sweaty. Feels good though. I hate to do this hike in the summer. Woo! Wait for it. Wait for it. You can hear it. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's beautiful. I think we just stay right here for a while. Listen to this stream going by. Wow. Magical. The orchard camp. Still got a long ways to go. Oh, just look at this moss. All right, about a little more than a mile, but you can see it's the fire road now. Beautiful snow on the mountains over there. Almost there. Not sure I can make it. I've come this far. Not stopping now. See it? You can see the observatory. Radio towers. Still looks like a ways off. That is downtown LA, all the way to the ocean. Believe it or not, I made it. There's a water fill station. The water is really good. It's filtered. And the view from here obviously is phenomenal. The cafe is closed today, but lots of people are up here picnicking. There you go, there's the view of LA from the top of the observatory. Really hazy, but that's the vista. Now, trek down. Oh my God, that was literally one of the most grueling hikes I've been on in forever. So, now all I can think about is in and out. How you doing? Can I get a number one, I guess, animal style with root beer? Yeah. Oh, so looking forward to this.
I was too hungry and too tired to break out the camera and show you me eating that In-N-Out burger. Most grueling hike I've had in a long time. I'm sure I'll be sore for 3 days, blisters, but man, I feel alive. What a great way to start the year. And thank you for watching. Happy New Year, all.